Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to show you how to install the factory OEM wiper blades on this 2016 Toyota 4Runner Limited. Now I've installed some that were like from Walmart and stuff, Rain-X, but I really do prefer the factory ones. These are the ones from Toyota. Now the ones I got in here right now, they're kind of a cheaper generic one. Okay, so here are the Toyota boxes. This is the 600 millimeter is the longer one. Looks like it's about 24 inches. They call it the 600 millimeter. There's the part number, 85222-52180. The other one is smaller. Looks like it is right about, maybe 20 inches. Here's the part number for it, 85212-53081. Yeah, these things just look a lot heavier duty-er, and I really like them. Okay, so let's install the driver's side one first. You're going to pinch this little tab. It's going to pull down this way. Again, it takes the longer one of the two. You're going to see like a little groove for it to go into. Okay, so there is this little thing here. You're going to lift that up. Now this is going to go in there. It's going to snap into place, and then you're going to snap that into place. And we're going to do the same over there. So again, this one here, there's a little tab here. You got to lift that out of the way. That way that hook can go in there and then bring that down. Okay, so there's what both of them look like installed. In my opinion, these last longer. You pay more up front, but you get more life out of them. And I think they just do a better job overall. Hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.